Welcome back to day 2 of my sculpture install video. Woke up to a beautiful morning in Dubai, hopped in an Uber and took the 30-minute drive to the sculpture install site, which is in a private residence. We made our way upstairs to find the crate in the middle of the room, and all looked fantastic after its long journey from South Australia to Dubai. So I got straight to work unpacking the crate. Got the drill out, took the screws out, and the first side of the box came down to reveal what was inside. Everything looked fantastic. Had a guy here help me out. Slowly but surely we managed to unpack all the crate, piece by piece. And from what I could initially see, the sculpture looked in pretty good condition, although it was covered in a fairly thick layer of dust from all the construction work. So I got to work unpacking the rest of the boxes that contained all the base and top parts. And then with the help of 4 workers to give me a hand to get the sculpture into the right position, we rested it on the ground, and with a little bit of persuasion, a bit of brute force, got the sculpture all together. So that's about it for day 2, just getting the last screws in place and ready to show the big reveal. See you for day 3.